Meaning of embolism.
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 Embolism. Embolism refers to an obstruction of blood flow caused by a clot or other foreign material that gets trapped in a blood vessel. This can result in tissue damage or even death if left untreated. The effects of an embolism will depend on the location and severity of the blockage, but common symptoms may include pain, numbness, or swelling in the affected area. In severe cases, an embolism can lead to organ failure or stroke, making it a potentially life-threatening condition that requires prompt medical attention.